Hello, and welcome to this edition of Out of the Woodwork. My name is David Palm with Jemson Cabinetry. Today, I want to talk to you about waterproofing your new shower. The last thing you want to do is see your new shower develop mold from it not being properly waterproofed. And Schluter offers a lot of products for that very purpose. This is Kerdi fabric, which is a waterproofing material that goes under the tile but over the backing material to prevent any water from seeping in and creating mold. The Ditra is a material that's used under tile to prevent cracking in the tile. It's an uncoupling material. Those are just two of the many products that Schluter offers, all designed to make your tile last a lifetime. I encourage you to check out the website for more information, but this is a product that's critical for you to use in your shower or tile project. Hey, that's our tip of the day. We'll see you next time on Out of the Woodwork.